Hi, today I will show you how you can delete your template because suppose we create a test template, then there is no option to delete this one. As you know, sometimes we have to create templates for pages, but there is no way to delete from Shopify. So there is a way using the code edit. So we have to do the edit code, and then we have to find the name of the template. Let's say it's a test template, so we have to come here and then we can type the test here. Test, it's maybe under templates, the phase dot test.json. So we have to delete this one, then it will gone. So it's deleted. Make sure delete the JSON file, don't touch any liquid file ever. So we have to refresh to see if it's removed completely or not. Yeah, it's gone. Thank you.